Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'll be talking about our Holy Quran. When Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was 40 years old, an angel appeared in the cave of Hira and commanded him 3 times to read. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam then replied that he could not. The angel then started reciting the following verses and the first revelations of the Quran, then disappeared. Read, in the name of Allah, your Lord is great. Since the Quran is a book of Allah, we must always show respect to it and do not want to do anything to disrespect it. For example, do not face our back or stretch our feet towards the Quran. Due to the Quran's high status, we must keep it in a high and clean area when not reading it. And when holding it, we must keep it in our right hand and close to our hearts. Before I end my speech, I would like to say a short hadith about the Quran. Ta'ahadul Quran, and that means take good care of the Quran. Jazakallah khair, thank you for listening.
Jazakallah khair to Shayan for that reminder. Shayan spoke about respect towards the Quran. So amongst the ways of respecting the Quran is to look after the Quran, not to do any form of physical disrespect. However, amongst the most important forms of respecting the Quran is to actually use it and utilize it for the purpose that it was given to us. Any item that you buy or that is given to you, the best form of utilizing it is to use it the way it was intended. And one of the intentions behind the revelation of the Quran was to learn it, study it, and apply the lessons that are within it into our lives. So this is the ultimate and the biggest form of respecting